Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mobile bases for drill presses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bora Adjustable Universal Mobile Base. Supporting up to 400 pounds of equipment weight, Bora's PM1000 mobile base stands out as a versatile solution for woodworkers who need to move heavy machinery in tight spaces. You'll appreciate its adjustable frame, which fits equipment from 12 multiplied by 12 to 32 multiplied by 32 inches square or 17 multiplied by 48 inches rectangular. The low-profile design lifts your equipment less than an inch while providing smooth mobility with 3-inch rubber wheels. You can lock the base securely using foot-operated levers. While assembly instructions could be clearer, the setup is straightforward. Just remember to build the frame slightly larger than your tool's footprint for ideal fit. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bora Universal Mobile Base Kit. Versatility meets stability in Bora's Universal Mobile Base Kit, making it an excellent choice for woodworkers who need to frequently reposition their drill press. You'll appreciate its adjustable frame, which fits equipment from 12 multiplied by 12 inches up to 26 multiplied by 26 inches square, or 16 multiplied by 36 inches rectangular. Built with alloy steel and equipped with 3-inch hard rubber wheels, this base supports up to 400 pounds while maintaining a low profile. You'll find the locking steel foot levers particularly useful for securing your machinery in place. While assembly might take longer than expected, the base's precision engineering and non-skid feet guarantee your drill press stays stable during operation. At number 3, we have the KF2006 Universal Mobile Base. Machinists and woodworkers seeking a robust mobile solution will find KASTFORC's KF2006 Universal Mobile Base an excellent choice for their drill press mobility needs. With a 450-pound capacity, this carbon steel base expands from 12x12 to 26x26 square, or 16x35 rectangular. You'll appreciate the 4 3-inch heavy-duty swivel wheels and convenient raising/lowering system that makes equipment movement effortless. While the base offers solid performance for most applications, you might want to contemplate reinforcing it if you're planning to regularly move heavier loads. At just 12 pounds, it's remarkably lightweight for its capacity, though some users note the assembly instructions could be clearer. At number 2, we have the ShopFox D2057A Adjustable Mobile Base. The ShopFox D2057A excels at mobilizing heavy machinery with its impressive 700-pound weight capacity and adjustable frame that fits bases from 20 to 29.5 inches. You'll appreciate the heavy-duty casters that provide smooth 360-degree movement and the unique 2-piece retractable feet with rare earth magnets for quick adjustments. The stable outrigger system maintains a low center of gravity, while 8 assembly configurations offer versatility for your specific needs. With a 4.6 star rating from over 1,000 users, this charcoal gray base delivers reliable performance. Though some users note challenges with foot adjustment, the robust construction and stability make it a solid choice for your drill press. And finally, at number 1, we have the WEN Universal Heavy-Duty Mobile Base. Seeking an affordable mobile base for your drill press? The WEN MB500 Mobile Base offers impressive value with a 500-pound capacity and versatile sizing options. You'll be able to fit both square bases, 11.8 to 35.4, and rectangular bases, up to 51.2 x 19.7. The base features 2 fixed and 2 swivel casters with foot-locking brakes, so you won't need to bend down to secure your equipment. While it's not the smoothest operator compared to premium options, its ball bearings guarantee decent mobility. At just 7/8 height edition and backed by a 2-year warranty, it's an excellent choice for lighter tools under 400 pounds. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.